United Progressive Alliance government has completed 4 years and it's heading towards the much talked of general elections to be held next year. While in the final year, it faces a twin challenge of bringing the economy back to high growth path and curbing corruption and inducing better governance, it also has quite a number of good outcomes to tell. The common man concept was given the maximum attention during the last 9 years, and inclusivity with development was the roadmap this government has been treading till date. While Narega created a wave of change in rural India, the DBT brought about a new and a more solid way of giving benefits to the needy. Free and compulsory education to children between 6 to 14 years of age was a major game changer in the 2009 elections and still continues to be a potential attraction among the people for the current UPA regime. Legislation like the right to information has changed the way people access government information. The Act has jettisoned India onto the era where transparency and accountability is to the maximum in governance matters. The health of the citizens have also increased, with the government enabling the flagship National Rural Health Mission to be a major success and pushing hard to implement the National Health Mission, which will be inclusive of the urban population as well. Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission has brought in a sea change in the ways cities had looked 10 years back. Be it the national capital or a mega city in any part of the country, steps have been taken to uplift the infrastructure of the cities, including road, sewage, water and electricity. Mass transit systems are being developed in nearly all the cities for easing the traffic and providing amenities to the people. Bureau Report, DD News.